Hello everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw Burning Axe. Okay, so I'm going to make a quick sketch. Let's see, just mostly for myself. And then I'll switch over to Sharpie. And you'll be able to see it much better. So don't worry if you can't see it right now. And I'm going to be using a straight edge too. So either go grab one or plan for it, because it's going to look much better if I do. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with that, because I'm already off. Okay, so that's my center line. Let's do it like this. This will help me personally. Okay, so that'll give me one edge. That, and another one like that. Should be where I'm going to go with this. Okay, so let's see, something like that. Then, ooh, there's a whole face I got to draw, huh? Let's see, like that. Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. Oh wow, see, there's a lot of detail I wasn't even thinking about. I was just like, this will be real quick. I'm just gonna draw a quick skull. How hard can that be? Well, when you're recreating someone else's design, yeah, sometimes it gets tricky. But that's part of the challenge, you know? It's easy to draw your own, but you're like, oh, I gotta draw it like they did. I see, I see. And then you kind of notice things like, oh, I see why they did that, because that flows into this, and then that flows into that. Got it. So, you know, it's nice to honor their design. Okay, so I think that'll bring us back up to here. Right? Yeah. Okay, so that means I can do this. I'm trying to do the same thing at the same time. So I do it right both times. Something like that. Yeah, I think that'll work. Let's see. And I'm not going to worry about all that detail in there. I want to do that with color. I basically want to get the rough sketch look of it. All right. Okay. So I'm going to start off with the big fat Sharpie, and I'm going to go ahead and add. I'm not going to add the strings. I'm going to do that with coloring, but I'm going to add straight edges so I can work around that. Okay, so the guitar straight edges are right around here. And draw one like this. And then I can draw the other one. Oh no, I didn't draw all the way. Let's see if I can fix that. Because look, the tooth is where I gotta stop. Let's see if I can fix that. But I'm afraid to do that with the Sharpie. So I'm gonna conquer my fears and just do it anyway. Alright, look at that. Got away with it. There you go. Face your fears, kids. Face your fears. Because you know what? It's just a drawing. No big deal. Alright, so for the next tooth, that's up there like that. I'm going to come down here like this. Booyah! Done. A little bit wider here than right there, but that's okay. I'm not worried about it. I'm just going to finish it up. So let's draw the whip out. Like this. Let's do both sides. So now we got the feel for how they both go. And then we're going to come into about right there. Like this, and let's draw the guitar, the pegs. Let's do it like this. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then the tuning keys are gonna be something like this. so I'm not going to go too far. You see, I just wanted them a different line weight is basically what it's called. Now I mean like weight like stop, I mean like heaviness weight. Okay. Wait, that didn't sound right. I like it better when it does this. There we go. Okay, so you know what? Let's go ahead and do some fine detail into this face and keep it all uniform. Okay, so I'm going to draw some teeth like this. And I wanted to do it with this Sharpie, this one, the Sharpie pen, because I can control the line weight much better. That other one, that's just too thick to feel comfortable with. So I wanted to do it like this. Okay, so let's see. He's got horns that come out of his little jawline like this. But you know what? That goes into the outer edge, and I don't want to do that. I want to just reserve this fine Sharpie for the inner edge. So let's just do that. Let's just do the inside here. Okay, there's some nostrils, and then let's see, going across like this, kind of like that. And I'm trying not to add too much because I want to do it with color too. So I'm not going to add a lot of crazy details, but I need to add some, just to give us a guideline of what we're going to draw, right? Okay, so I will do the eyes like this. Let's thicken that up a little bit. Another one like this. And let's see, he's got a few more little details that we'll go ahead and follow. Like I said, I don't want to go too crazy because I want color to do some of this. But it does have some cool features that we want to make sure we accent, you know? And let's see, another couple like this. This will come down to there. Okay. Thicken that up just a little bit. That way it'll kind of make it cohesive to what the rest of it's going to be. And if you're using pencil, you don't have to do this. I am, because I'm about to switch over to a big fat Sharpie that is going to stand out if I don't thicken it up a little bit. Uh-oh. This one's dying on me. Okay. Alright, I think that's all I want to do for this pen Sharpie. So I'm going to switch back over to the big fat Sharpie and finish this up. So, let's see. Before I get confused, I'm going to draw his tusks. I'm going to finish this up like that. And it goes over the guitar neck, but I kind of like it back behind. So, I'm going to make mine do that. Okay, but see how thick this is compared to that? That's why I want to do something a little different. That's why I want to control it a little bit better. Okay? So, I'm going to draw the edge down like this. And it's going to come out. And then we're going to bring it into this point. Into this point. Like that. And let's see, we're going to draw the ears. So another ear like that. Down. Up. Okay, that looks pretty uniform. Okay, so now we're going to draw the rest of them here. So I'm not going to do all this detail in here. I'm going to do that with coloring because I really like the way they have it, and I want to honor that design. So I'm just going to basically do this outer shape, okay? So I'm going to kind of follow this around, and that's okay if it's not circular because it's kind of a demon horn, you know, which is not real. So we can just do whatever we want, you know? No one can say, hey, that's supposed to be round, or that's supposed to be this, or you smell, or I don't think I like pie, you know? I mean, it doesn't matter, because this is our drawing. Okay, so I think I want to do the rest with color, so for now, that is Demon Skull. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.